subscribe to our channel.
7 tips to prevent hair loss and promote fast hair growth. Can you prevent hair loss? Every case is different and it is necessary to first do a diagnosis of hair loss. Frequently there can be temporary situations related to a poor diet, a period of stress or a temporary change in the thyroid, in which cases there are personalized treatments that are effective and adequate. Other times there can be an important health problem or a genetic condition, which are more difficult to solve. Nevertheless, if we constantly follow these tips, we can see an improvement in a short time. This advice is also useful for those who don't suffer from hair loss but would like their hair to grow faster and thicker. 1. Relax the scalp. Today we suffer tensions in all parts of the body. One of these areas is our scalp. That tension impedes blood flow in the hair roots, which can cause hair loss, weakness, gray hairs, excess grease, and dandruff, etc. The first step to fight against these tensions consists of massaging our scalp every day. It should not be a superficial massage, but a bit more intense, trying to move and relax the surface. This is a very relaxing massage, perfect to do for 5 or 10 minutes every night before going to bed. 2. Stimulating with mint and cinnamon. When massaging our scalp we can strengthen our effects using a natural product which helps stimulate blood flow. We can find a very simple option in 2 essential oils with stimulating properties, mint and cinnamon. Both oils boost circulation but with an opposite effect. The mint cools, while the cinnamon gives heat. Combining them we get a very beneficial hot and cold effect. 3. Choose natural products. If we want to take care of our body we should always choose products as natural as possible for health and beauty use. In the case of hair, we should avoid products that contain preservatives, parabens, and very strong sulfates, such as sodium sulfate. We can find natural or organic products in herb and health food stores. 4. Brush your hair every day. It seems very obvious, but brushing our hair is a way to improve circulation in our scalp and to spread out oils to obtain more shiny and balanced hair. We should use quality combs made of natural materials, for example wood with natural bristles of vegetable or animal origin. We should comb our hair in all directions every day. 5. Eat a balanced diet. It is essential to eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and fatty acids in order to provide the nutrients that our hair needs. Our diets needs to include the following: dried fruit and seeds, raw fruits and vegetables, legumes. 6. Turn upside down. Inverted postures in which the head is lower than the rest of the body are very beneficial for health and, certainly to prevent hair loss. We can do a simple position, lying down in an inclined position or using a special gymnastic machine. It would be sufficient to do this 5 to 10 minutes per day, starting gradually. We should avoid doing this during digestion or menstruation. 7. Say goodbye to stress. In conclusion, do not forget that stress is one of the worst health problems that we can have. It throws our entire body out of balance and it is the start of multiple ailments, among those is hair loss. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.